The local foxes here in Gloucestershire know these fields very well. Every year they follow the farmers from field to field as they make hay. And sometimes the cubs come with them. These cubs are only 3 months old and mostly interested in play. Summer chafers emerging from the grass are worth eating, if you can catch them. But the cubs need to be taught how to hunt properly. By September, they will be on their own. So their mother shows them how. Her acute sense of hearing enables her to detect even the slightest rustle in the grass. By moving her head, she can pinpoint exactly where the noise is coming from. And then, silently, she leaps. At least the cubs will have something to eat this evening.